The custom-made Honda CB1100EX emerges as a pinnacle of Japanese craftsmanship, celebrated for its meticulous attention to detail and timeless design. Crafted to embody the essence of Honda's engineering excellence, this motorcycle captivates enthusiasts with its blend of heritage-inspired aesthetics and modern performance enhancements. Originally introduced as a homage to classic Honda motorcycles of the past, the CB1100EX pays tribute to iconic models while incorporating contemporary engineering advancements. Customizers have seized upon its classic platform, transforming it into a bespoke masterpiece that elevates the standards of motorcycle customization. Central to the allure of the custom Honda CB1100EX is its refined inline-four engine, renowned for its smooth power delivery and robust performance characteristics. Custom tuning and enhancements optimize power output and throttle response, ensuring a spirited riding experience that resonates with enthusiasts who appreciate both power and precision. Visually, the custom CB1100EX captivates with its understated elegance and thoughtful design elements. Custom paint schemes, handcrafted leather seats, and bespoke chrome accents enhance its appearance, reflecting the artisanal skill and passion invested in its creation. Every curve and component speaks to the customizer's dedication to achieving perfection and honoring Honda's rich heritage. The cockpit of the custom Honda CB1100EX offers a harmonious blend of retro charm and modern functionality. Upgraded instrumentation, ergonomic controls, and premium materials elevate rider comfort and confidence, inviting enthusiasts to embark on memorable journeys with style and sophistication. Beyond its visual and performance enhancements, the custom Honda CB1100EX embodies a spirit of individuality and exclusivity. Each build is a reflection of its owner's personality and preferences, offering a unique expression of automotive artistry that transcends mass-produced motorcycles. The craftsmanship and attention to detail evident in the custom Honda CB1100EX underscore the enduring appeal of custom motorcycles as personalized works of art. From its meticulously handcrafted components to its finely tuned engine, every aspect of the motorcycle reflects a dedication to achieving excellence and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in motorcycle customization. As enthusiasts and collectors alike admire the custom Honda CB1100EX, discussions within the motorcycle community revolve around its impact on the custom bike scene. With its blend of heritage-inspired design and modern performance capabilities, the CB1100EX serves as a benchmark for aspiring customizers and a source of inspiration for future generations of motorcycle enthusiasts. In conclusion, the custom Honda CB1100EX exemplifies Japanese craftsmanship at its finest, showcasing Honda's commitment to innovation and quality. Approaching perfection in both form and function, it embodies the spirit of artistry and individuality that defines the custom bike culture. As enthusiasts celebrate its timeless design and exhilarating performance, the custom Honda CB1100EX continues to inspire admiration and awe among those who appreciate motorcycles as more than just machines, but as expressions of craftsmanship and personal style.